white, mix 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint. Bright Aqua Flash by Color Shift, mixed equal parts Floetrol and paint. DecoArt Extreme Sheen Gold, equal parts Floetrol to paint. Liquitex Cobalt Blue, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and then I added a little sapphire metallic blue. I have black, Artist Loft Black, mixed 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then I don't know if you can see it. There's a little sparkle. I added Dragon Glaze to the mix. And then this is Payne's Gray. And I mixed that 2 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And then I added metallic navy to it to give it a shimmer. So we'll see.
All right, hi guys. So I put a base coat on my canvas. I'm using a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas. And I'm just popping some air bubbles out of here. And if you haven't seen the video before this one, I combined a dustpan pour with a ring pour. And yes, the device I'm using is actually a dustpan. It's not a shovel or anything like that. I had some fuzzies come off of my sweater. I had quite an experience coating this canvas. I'm glad I wasn't wearing the robe that Kathleen had given me, because I would have gotten it all over that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer my cup. And doesn't matter what you're layering it, what colors, etc. Just have fun with it. I went over my colors at the beginning of the video, so if you need to rewind and fast forward, this would be that time to do it, so you don't have to watch me layer the colors. The color layering really is not relevant at all in this. So anywho, this is the boring part, so feel free to fast forward and all of that fun jazz, because you're not missing anything. Unless you want to know how I'm layering my cup, of course. My paints are thick and mixed like I would for my straight pours. I almost want to do a straight pour instead of a ring pour in this dustpan. I just really want to see how everything combines with each other, but I have a feeling there's just too much gold in there. The cells will take over and it won't stretch. It'll muddle more than anything, but experiments. So I don't know if I mentioned, this is a 24 by 24 inch canvas. I really don't think we're going to need much more paint than what I've got in here. Maybe a couple more layers of color. We'll see how this pretty little thing turns out. And the last one I poured a little out of the cup onto the canvas in the middle, but I'm not going to do that this time. So we're going to do one more black layer, gold, and I think think I'll do a white also. All right. Let's see what is going to happen. Sort of excited. So I do not know where he got this dustpan, but it's fabulous. All right, so here it is. It's fairly deep, as you can see. And we're gonna do a ring pour right there in the middle. And then we're gonna get it on the canvas. All right. Okay, here we go. Good Lord, I'm glad that happened then. Okay. Sort of liking it, but it needs a little something else. So, what I'm going to do is bring it this way a smidge. And back this way. So I'm really liking this. It's got some really neat lines going on here. I'm loving the negative space. Fellow artist had suggested maybe doing it as a straight line.
and leaving more negative space, and I actually like it. I wasn't sure how I was gonna do it. I was worried that the pan would be a little too wide, but it actually turned out pretty good. So she definitely gave me the inspiration and the idea, and so that's what she wanted to see. All right, we're just gonna finish off here. It's definitely different. Okay, just trying to get rid of all those bubbles. So I'm really liking this, and I'm gonna bring you guys down for a closer view. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do with the rest of the paint in the pan. So, all right, I'm bringing you down in a minute. I just wanted to bring you in. I apologize for the glare, but this is absolutely gorgeous. I do feel as though it's missing something, and I'm not sure what it is just yet. I don't know if it's a gold line across the top. I don't know. I think I'm going to just leave it alone until I frame it up and see what the frame brings to the piece. These colors are so beautiful together. It'll come up in here. And all these little cells. It really is an amazing piece, and I absolutely love the iridescence that was added to the metallic navy that was added to the Payne's gray. It really just picks up everything. So, sorry, a little too fast for you guys. Love this area. I was gonna blow everything out on the edges also with my tubing, but decided I sort of like the crisp lines and I didn't want to muck with it too much. But this area is just awesome. I love this piece. I love how it turned out. Chris Leek, thanks for the idea. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for I can't even talk. Thanks for watching. It's at the end of the day. It's 9:30 at night. I'm sort of tired. I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.